Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your language in PUBG Mobile. To change the language in PUBG is super easy. Launch the PUBG Mobile game on your device, and then once you're in this page, tap on the little arrow button at the bottom right next to Inventory. In the pop-up, click on Settings. From the Settings menu, scroll down from the right-hand corner and tap on Language. Inside the language settings, you can go ahead and change the interface language or the chat language. If you want to change both, simply go ahead and tap on the options and select a different language of your choice for both your interface and for the primary chat language option. And that's how you can easily change your language setting. Now once you've done that, you can get back to the game and start playing. All the in-game menus, text, and settings will appear in your chosen language. This makes it easier to navigate the game and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Now you're all set to play PUBG in your preferred language. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials from us. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.